A very warm good afternoon to all those who are watching me today from a very warm and homely place. It is one of the best spine specialty orthopedic clinics in Kerala. It is located at Kirilam. Let me first introduce myself. I am Professor Dr. Srila Dasgupta. I am Dean Academic Affairs at a premier educational institution in Mumbai, which is, and my college is located at Marine Drive Churchgate, which is one of the most premier locations. Uh, I have been in my job for the last 27 years, and because of my uh, work portfolio, which involves more of meetings and basically a desk job, I developed a spine problem. And there was a curvature in my spine, which resulted in compression, disc bulging, and also nerve compression. And over the years, I had tried several treatments. I had been to several physiotherapists on and off. The problem used to get resolved, but once again, it used to bounce back. So, what happened was it became a long standing problem for almost 25 years, because of which slowly I started losing the sensation on my left side. There was numbness, and the power on my left side was also considerably less than the right. I was very worried, very, very worried, and I did not know what to do. And then someone suggested that I should visit Kerala because it is the home of Ayurvedic treatments. And when I looked at the internet, I found I was flooded with hospitals offering Ayurvedic care, Ayurvedic treatment, all citing similar conditions. And I was at a loss. I really did not know what I should do and whom I should approach. It was then that I started speaking to several people. Like I said before, I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and my husband being in the uh, clinical field, he also knew several patients who had come down to Kerala, and specifically at the Parutha Vailil Hospital, which is under the care, the tutelage of Dr. Patros. This hospital was established in 1955 by his father, who was a Paramparik Vaidya. And each and every person that I spoke to in Mumbai told me that, ma'am, please go over there. Even if you think, just give it a try. We are sure that you will come back with a smiling face. And let me tell you, guys, all you out over there, that I have not at all been disappointed. The first day when I came over here, I was very apprehensive and I did not know how I should approach the problem. But when I visited Dr. Patros, and my first visit with him, of course, before that, when I called him, I could not just suddenly come down to Kerala. So I had called him up earlier, and he told me, Madam, no problem. He's so busy, but never once did he refuse my call. He said, Madam, no problem. You come over. We will see to it that there is a place for you. And when I came over here, he patiently listened to each and everything that I said, asked me questions, made me comfortable, and relieved me of all my worries. And he told me, you don't worry, we will. And I asked him, like all patients like me do, that sir, what are you going to do? What is my suggestive treatment? Like, how are we going to proceed? And he said, you don't worry about anything at all, just leave everything to me. Today, after 28 days, the power in my left side has returned. The numbness has reduced almost by 50 to 60%. There is no pain at all. Earlier, there used to be severe rib cage pain, because of which I had difficulty in breathing. Now I don't have anything at all. And no rib cage pain, nothing. So it's almost as if Dr. Patro sir has given me a new lease of life. I'm entering into a second phase of my life through this treatment. Each day, sir used to come for visits. He always used to be accompanied by Madam Dr. Prasanna, his better half, along with a large cohort of resident doctors, Dr. Basil, Dr. Amal, the medical administrator, Dr. Prasina, and many more. I frankly, don't know all their names. They all used to be smiling. They used to ask me, "What is your problem? What problems are you facing? How are you today? Did you sleep well? Uh, did you take the medicines? Are there any complaints?" And I always used to say, "No, no, I mean, I'm getting better and better." And the best part of his treatment over here was, it's not something which is a one size fits all. Dr. Patros never told me that, look, this is a treatment that we do for everyone, so this is what we'll be doing it for you. He said, let me see how your body responds, and I will tailor the treatment according to how your body is responding. And that I found to be something which is very distinctive from the others. I have found many people saying that when we go to other places, just by looking at us, they say that we are going to make you 90% better or 80% better. But I would feel more comfortable in a place where the doctor personally supervises me each day, every almost sometimes even twice a day, and asks me how I am proceeding, and thereby taking on a call on the way the treatment should go. The treatment was par excellence. The therapists were too good, uh, and I had undergone a variety of treatments. Like I had something called. I am not a Malayalam, so pardon me for my pronunciation. I had something called a Pizu. I had something called Kiri and Kativashta and Kativashti, sorry, and something called Kashaya Dhara and Kaya Sekham. And each one of them, as I went through each one of them, I found myself getting stronger and better by the day. It gave me hope. It gave me hope that yes, I can now do many things from which I just couldn't do anymore. And one very small thing which I would like to say, which really touched my heart. We are basically non-vegetarians, but this being an Ayurvedic spa center, a hospital rather, uh, it's fully vegetarian. And sir asked me on the first day, "Are you a non-vegetarian?" I said yes. So he said, "Don't worry at all, madam. Whatever you want to eat, we will make sure. If you want fish, we'll make sure that you can, whatever is permissible under the Ayurvedic treatment, you just tell us, and we'll make sure that." Of course, I never took advantage of his goodness. But someone telling that to you when you are under such a long treatment, all the way miles away from home, it does make a difference. All doctors will treat you the same. All doctors will give you medicines. You will probably ultimately become well. But there is something which is beyond medicine, and that's the humane touch. And that's what I found when I came over here. The cleanliness of this place, the warmth of the people with whom I met, the way the housekeeping staff worked round the clock, making everything spick and span, and the canteen people, good, nutritious, warm food, the surroundings. There's a beautiful villa. It's basically a hospital where anyone and everyone can come. So there are villas for people who can afford it. There are AC rooms for that category of people who always want to live in a controlled atmosphere. There are other rooms. There are, I think, even in fact, I think, if I'm not very wrong, there are rooms which are also dormitories. So one should not feel that this is only for a certain class of people. Each and every class of people is addressed. Each and every disease is addressed. Each time when I used to go to meet Dr. Patros in his clinic, which is located on the ground floor of the premises, I used to see so many people coming and sitting for his appointment. I mean, It was really very, very touching to see how many lives he had touched. I hope that one day you will surely visit this hospital, if not for anything else, just to experience what a good, homely, warm atmosphere is and how well, in the true sense, that you can become. God bless you all, and I wish you all the best. See you someday soon at the Parthu Vayalil Hospital at Kirilam, Kerala. Thank you.